biaka mal ka no online TV channel to kon ka larmi bi konaling ke kwi panane kon dangro ga Nuer bom dangro tengay kon ke music industry ngay kon ke re duaran kon e kon shal ke Nuer chana tendi ala kon lat ko rodin ci kon kenen ci kon ke gwit chana pusni ken chana kenen to ngwana long en man gora brak kwidien keje gor jeno biya ngajeno ngum la roda ka kam dien kam tuoge ba woni ke ngum me benno ko gwasen be so ngai kone tin kon tilat ko rodin re Nuer gor jeno banaka dressa gwa ka domin gwa mede na de kamat cause amu tuogo lo chinarin bulwan kamat ko rodin what can come ngai kon madan de roda lat ka gwasen be so gorjen o de kon chonkel ere rachame kan kono niam dong mi jiram jidit ka Nuer online TV gwasme gorjen o jin de lerm de nyogane ko ken ka jin ba de subscribe ka de notification bell de jetwain ko blerti biken chamala shukuje bana gwadana shung Koko de besten bana janen ka bana gwadana shung TR Kristen bana janen okay ngai kon men jega dan de talk right kon ke ki beef ka okay ala bip mi shake night ki charo da ref a chaw gwan to goal la tika de la talk gorjen wo be alarm tot ke kwi Koko de best can kwi TR crazy Koko de best 211 TR crazy 211 of course ken music magwa I love the music men let ken angwaya men gweja ano sharik ke jan gwasme men gor bokule nyoga yekel both the rapper they are doing a tremendous job, tremendous work. Ko kapken Cornell, kapken Doranial women. I applaud them. Their works, hard work done. Let kana kim and let's kana ki music dien. So magajelo. Kagar bom ki music dien ketin kon let kana. But recently shana ngach so ba address ni thought beef ngotogoma beef eter michitwo kam ne dangro te karo dien ling ala beef michitwo beef chetwo bang la twoko ko yen shalet kel yen ramomo miken yen kon let kel tele gwadmi mode yen te ke beef keja chede twok but take a menong beef ki ter Reagan were written con la musician especially come TR crazy kene Koko de base dio she con the music it after it chana kenen chana keling chana video ni ken gwich no they are doing great job yeah okay gwa tele kerek we can kill tam de la ramo to cho okay yeah so okay gwa so here is where things get wrong. Mela drama music de kaka the drama music down and knock Lloyd ja could collaborate with whoever you want to collaborate with okay tele kariek Quiz Carodian but music unite people at Waganono I believe take Michelle ke rap excellency me kana kamrar kanang jok TR crazy Jay hot ke Koko de base dire kana kamrar I think nato one charge ya long chikat go kana kamrar but afterward to take a royalty talk I think we all of us know this okay and me personally I know this is gonna be a real top things ke future rien kan gade ko ngaje Nuer they like creating beef they like creating problem chaos and everything mija ben ke musician kana gorno ba ja fanya out no ngam love the bass by dark but a division but talk but ne laro musician ma kuje ket kuje twar ya jana upcoming artist jega telemenga je kuje rapping kuje singing kuje lesbian just name it lot of thing baga create ka kwi musician ka but when ka musician go bu rodian separate calibration is kan lat kan gade and that collabo ajanong to diala nen yanga te wala Mexican music dan kamrar kan ga dangro ngaje ne metoten so yeah I'm a fan, you know. Yeah, I'm a big fan. I support their music lan kaling shang karan jugono music relenga. I listen to their music. Yeah, naga music, I'm a musician, so naga music up to now I'm studying music, but take it ko kin latke men go rebel lar ka kwi gane and music dani kana lot that time music go acha janok meji to gene jo to go no take a problem ni to come ken and these issues were created by their fun. Okay, I love fun ken it contain shung jong ken e lane Koko the best lanya tia craze lanya Koko the best. So from there she gapcha to ken gade dangro Chika woko betega did ba kamrar che wonoko bananye, you know, all these things chika talk. So what I remember, Gardangro can come and meet face to face. They did collabo through studios, okay. If I'm wrong, please go to Guatemala. So she can music then you can a lot. She Koko the best okay studio, she got a okay studio, and then from there she did a berar. Everybody was enjoying the song, you know. Yeah, don't mind about this picture, okay. Just leave this thing alone. We'll talk about them later. Shana titi shana kanen ano ngumle rode no she kon ga dangro she kon eno she music den je berar go so she collaboration di kanale. So che music then che enjoy meche berar, but recently che take music no teach bentela nyam kwada ngayen na rap music no ngumala later. Rap music always is all about, you know, ngad e be fall away bradin be la jor, you know. Rap music peja met we jack don't de lele lo fun, then in the end of the day but we are come no kun so ba problem ba jo create me ma che benako che take a deed one teacher be mentioned. No, America, the last song of I Kamrar Koko the best. I think Chadira Chatu Kalivan did by Kamrar Koko the best. Chadi de Dane Cha Kamrar Tia Crazy Chadeling Bunny, you know, La Meshua. Right now is about to release another song, dear Jakashang Bakala Pirakel, Ron Kindangro Jandangro Ditch, I think. Because Cherami Cha Gormat. I know Bokoko the best bote did Odian Magora Kamrar. So things are really hot right now, Kagadangro. I mean, the large fun. Misha okay music, okay. Allo when you connect music no na me music. Bana ngaje wona yene kon la fun. Music sometimes she real, okay? It's not real. She real. Music ladje. You know, ladje ke kwi ko banat baka gor. Banat baka gor be yek te gor ba jekten biteke follower biteke viewer. Yes, like right now I'm doing this video. Yeah, I'm and dundariak katada and she bifsha togaje. So anybody madong the video they just get benong viewer one, then from there dong they you they rejecten. So like music like it. But when choko banaka family la wuna quit wuna naka family then la beja mesla go no. Yeah, you have to back up a bit. Big back up. No. Me twara kwara mkwaya ket so up not to reach out to their family. Especially will be family members back who get involved, you know. Of course, but what I want to say here is this: since I'm supporting both the rapper, okay, telequish, but me woko dong da woka physical fight lo nyina ga titken, then the problem we create room de jogo no mo jega. And music yan fun cha physical fight, okay. Ngade a music fight and a beef take music she beef nang karar so ga dangro e beef dian let keneke music but misha we jag yes la na la ka aka ju gana melodian mo mijak yes please mena music dun men jele mat dor che beje lonki chelet and then brother din be beje lo kamrar re kam jagadan chelet che delat but che wona kate ko kien cause I've seen lot of things the chande ro ga kwidian gaten kon lat karodian yes in music la narodi ne beef madong kan yeru ni rama mo anyok teramde rano ket dong me kenin koroj la na ko na ro yemi kare kuling den bukulo wawa but there are those la keneji lora bang chang me jeg mi laran sen be ju la rediet ko goro be problem be create kam dun ke ne go ken then jegan mo ke bro do goro be take viewer that is too much problem that is damage charge gor ken go baje la let so and be mo tor be je loka gaddang raw ka kwi community ga dan kon ware ko the best tia craze misha video misha jege shirana go okay de jogona na you guys are part of North, part of Nuer community, and Okiyan Nuer community come niala. Me take something, me de doran, deje jainyal, okay, there Rick there canoe, they escalate into a problem, a really physical fight, no much degwa. Degwa no maybe there are milatke ke social media, lo be fake ke social media, shabu ke physical fight. Anyog in the long run bogore gwenyu gwa because la na wiaje gwen content yam so me karan char kwide bala be jamat so rodian ka char mat ala kan your community gor kono bana take ka ngade ke luskorodan badranok I believe most of you no gerun ke tamiran ko set some post check in wal ano la na chat korodian so you guys should do better than that okay me chiradian chemi je chelat yes they beef fine but gorjano bi kon ngajano beef du wenene bicho wono ko dong banare nyir bananye bete kor betuo ko gwaden be fun be Nuer be divide you know wona na tuk shene wona tuk dori that things are wrong so gwawode be share head otherwise me work music yo it's okay guy do that make money lada yo no binenyin kun binay ka share because if this is how we work bana ke chair tele problem ke sharing because naraje bono bamanda le diana baje ling like right now this is the first video ke channel me ke kwidun so beben ke me do dian right now katal yala long katen content sha gor ke Facebook when it happen back a share then mane screen shana kun content ke ya and I will start sharing so right now lu gani yeno men jelela medba men debde la kwauten luara debdeten okay I should let the long ka should the long okay ade to duar ate gwajanjan shawre lol ko roka na content badoran baja dak anan jaga jake metor met okay debe ko loñ ka gari shwa debe jak shwa gale shwede long ate ka gotti balar yalla ka lala kale nyong ki were ka bomi ci yalla guj so gwaye jendana gode nyak kwi gana kon dangraw our bass hip hop musician kanware en ban je mo dien ci je puro jeno bi mi do den be linga kwi gan dangro biate mal